The NeoBackAround is a trick where it is similar to a background, except that it goes on the back side of the hand and has 1.5 revolutions. It can start in between any three slots and end in any three slots. There are two different versions. First, there's the waist version, and then there is the modern version, which uses the fingerless motion. First, we'll begin with the waist. The waist, first you begin with the index finger and the middle finger. Place it between there, like so. Then place the top of the pen on top of the thumb flap. Next, do the hand motion so that the pen starts to move in this direction. Once you have that going, make sure that the middle finger does not block the pen, like so. Have it down so it has enough room to move out. Once it moves out, straighten all of your fingers so that it does not go around the index finger, but instead the front of the pen moves over on top. This is the first revolution of the pen. Once it has completed the first revolution, figure out which slot you want it to move in. You can choose between any three slots here. For now, we'll just choose the middle finger and the ring finger. When it gets close, when it finishes the first revolution, lift the ring finger up so that the pen can slip in between this one slot. When it does, close it and catch it, and then have the pen spin for 0.5 more revolutions to complete the trick, like so. Once again, starting between the index finger and the middle finger and the thumb flap, use hand motion only to make the first revolution. Straighten fingers so it goes on top of the fingers. Find the designated slot. Lift up the second finger, which will be in this case, the ring finger. Slip in. Catch. Close it. And then follow through. That would be the waist version. The fingerless version follows the same exact path. The only difference is that instead of having it start between the two fingers where it is close to the flap, instead it will be close to the tips. Again, we'll start the same exact path, beginning between the index finger and the middle finger and ending between the middle finger and the ring finger. Hold the pen like such. Have the back of the top of the pen, or the back, like so, in front of the the index finger. Place the middle finger in front. Hold the thumb on top right here, like such. Next, start by using the hand motion only. Have the pen travel in this direction. When this happens, lower the middle finger down, and then when it gets close to finishing the first revolution, lower the index fingers and have the rest of the fingers kind of flatten out. Find the designated slot, raise that second finger, the ring finger, catch, and then follow through. And it should look something like this. For those of you that may be wondering, yes, it is true that the fingerless version of the NeoBackAround is exactly the same as the shadow reverse. The only difference is that the shadow reverse actually uses the finger motion to push the pen, to supply the momentum needed, as like this. However, the NeoBackAround, where the fingerless version of it only uses the hand motion. to supply the momentum needed, like such. However, it is quite different with the waist version, since it begins towards the flap. However, all the paths are the same in that it goes down the hand, or even in the same slot, and has 1.5 revolutions, and it spins in this direction.